Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It means so much to me that you're here. Today I have this super cute, super soft glam. I was gonna say super glam, but it's not like, you know, like super out there, but it is kind of out there. Natural, who am I kidding? I don't really know what to call this. This is a very me look. I'm gonna call this a me look. It's very me. These are my color tones. You have the pink, the brown shadow liner, and a pop of glitter on the lids. We're just gonna call this a rosy, soft glam look today. This is more of my everyday makeup, I feel, minus the glitter. The glitter, I just wanted to add a pop and show you how this glitter shadow works, and I think you're gonna be amazed as much as I was. So if you want to find out how I got this look right here, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so for today's look, we're going to be doing kind of a natural pink glitter moment. So first I'm just going to go in with the Colourpop Sweet Talk palette. And we're going to go in with the color Catch Me right here. And we're just going to take her and apply it all over the lid as a base color. Okay, after we have our base color down, we're gonna go in with the color Dream Maker right here, this kind of pastel pink. And I'm taking a Morphe M441 brush, and we're gonna pack that in the crease. So you want to make sure you kind of go high up to your brow bone and get as much area as you can. So one side note I do have about this palette is that it has a lot of kickback. As you can see, there's a lot of fallout. See? But it is a pressed powder palette, so with a pressed powder palette, you are going to get some kickback. It's not necessarily a negative thing. For some people it might be, but they might just find it messy. But let's be honest, like 75% of eyeshadows do that. I'm used to it, but just letting you guys know that pressed powder palettes do tend to have quite a bit of kickback. Okay, next we are going to dip into the Jaclyn Hill X Morphe palette. This is her first palette, and we are going in with the color Hunt, this one right here. And I'm just going to be taking a Morphe M573 brush, and we're just going to put that into the crease, but not towards the brow bone. You want to make sure you start with a light hand, just so you can see where you place the color, and then go ahead and blend it with a heavier hand. As you can see, I am dragging it all the way down into the inner corner, so that we do get some depth over there. And then I'm gonna carefully kind of flick it out at the end. And then with the color Chip from the same palette, this kind of brown right here, I'm going to try to create a false smoky liner. So I'm gonna take a Morphe E29 brush. It's a dual brush, you know, kind of for your eyebrows, but I'm gonna create a shadow liner with this. We're gonna go ahead and dip her into Chip, and then this part is gonna be a little tricky. We're gonna try to do like a false eyeliner with it. Start from the outer corner of your eye and kind of drag up just a little bit to create a mark, and then we're gonna flip the brush over to the pointy part and drag down to your lash line and fill that in. And then we're gonna kind of flick the wing up a little bit. Just so that it gets higher. And then gently fill her in. You don't want it to be too pigmented, you just want it to have the look of the wing. So just in simpler terms, you're gonna draw a wing with eyeshadow, and then we're gonna kind of smoke it out. And then I'm going to go in with a Morphe E36 brush and just kind of smoke out the edges. Okay, so after you kind of smoked out the edges of that liner, we are going back in with the Colourpop Sweet Talk palette. And we are going to dip into this super gorgeous glitter color called Prima Drama. Now, I think this is an all glitter shadow. So I've used this before. You don't need any glitter glue. This stuff sticks to the brush and sticks to your lid. No primer, no glitter primer, no nothing. Just a plain brush. And I'm going to take the Morphe M213 brush. Swirler in Prima Drama. And you see how much glitter came off on that brush. Look at that. So gorgeous. And we're just going to pack her on the lid. Do you guys see that? Oh my god. Do you guys see that? Look at all that glitter with no glitter glue. That is amazing. Okay, so really quick, I don't know if you guys could tell, but I do have powder all over my face. I was baking while doing my eyeshadow. I like to do that. So we're just gonna clean off all this translucent powder off my face. Just kidding, it's not translucent. This is the Morphe setting powder in Banana. So it isn't translucent. It does have a yellow tint to it. So now we're gonna head into applying our lashes. But before we apply our lashes, a trick that I like to do is take some liquid liner and just draw a thin line by our lashes so that our lash band and our actual lashes can blend in together and there's no open space. That's it. That's all you want. Super small, super thin. Now, a majority of my lash extensions, I want to say like 95%, have fallen off. So we're just going to quickly curl our lashes. Go in with some mascara. This is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. Just a little bit. And now I'm going to take one of my favorite pairs of lashes at the moment. It is the Lillylashes in Mykonos Lite. And I'm going to apply those off camera. So I'll be back. Alright, you guys. I've applied the Mykonos Lite onto my lashes. This is how it looks so far. And now we're just going to go in back with the color Hunts from the Jaclyn Hill palette. We're going to take a Morphe M506 brush. And brush that along the bottom lashes. And with a Morphe 432 brush, just this flat brush, we're going to go back in with the color Tip from the Jaclyn Hill palette and connect that liner we made to the bottom lashes. Just like that. Just connect from the outer corner down. Okay, after that, we're going to apply some mascara onto our bottom lashes real quick. Okay, so I definitely feel I've lost some color to my face. So we're going to go in with the Dragun Beauty face palette, just with the color Femme, the lighter shade, and bronze up our face again. And then we're going to go in with the color Tea Girl right here for our blush. And as for highlight, we are going to go with the Morphe High Packed Highlighter Illuminator in the color Spark, this pinky one. And for lips, I'm just going to only use this gloss, this Adrian Vitadini Studio Gloss. There is no specific color name, but this is what it looks like. This color right here. Watching life finishing touch, Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Or mist, setting mist, my bad. Same thing, whatever. Alright, you guys, this is the final look. I think I call this natural, but it's more of a softer glam. You know, you got your kind of neutral pinky tone colors, but with an incredible pop of glitter. So thank you guys for watching this video. It means so much to me for you to take time out of your day and actually watch me do my makeup. Hopefully you guys recreate this look or get inspired to do your own version, and don't be afraid to share it with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Any topics you want me to discuss or do any how-to videos down below, let me know. I'm thinking about doing a how to apply lashes beginner edition and expert edition, meaning like Ardell lashes versus, you know, big thick bands like Lillylashes. So let me know if you guys are interested with that, and I will totally film that for you guys. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye. Intro. Thumbnails. I'll do that later.